We're here today at the beautiful campus of USA Children's and Women's Hospital in Mobile. They are part of the USA Network. My role as the account manager is I handle all of the University of South Alabama accounts, including the USA Medical Center and other facilities that they have.
The University of South Alabama health system has been an important part of the community since the 70s.
The university started the health system in the 70s with the purchase of the medical center, and in the recent past we've served about 250,000 patients throughout our system on an annual basis.
In 1990, the university purchased the old doctor's hospital, which was then converted into what you see behind us now as the University Children's and Women's Hospital. It's one of only 5 freestanding hospitals in the United States that goes strictly for children and women only.
Several years ago, Alabama Power talked with USA Medical Center about heat recovery systems and encouraged them to install that equipment into their facility. We monitored it, and there was a great energy savings that hospital saw from that equipment.
The technology involved in the heat recovery chiller program is that we produce chilled water through cooling towers and chillers. And those chillers have to be cooled down because of the heat that they generate. And part of the process is to circulate water through a cooling tower. So that water is sent from the chiller to the heat recovery chiller. The heat is extracted from that water and sent back to the cooling tower colder than it came. With that extracted heat, we then send that throughout the building to do the heating of the domestic water or the building heating systems. So it is a free heat product, basically using energy that you've already spent money on.
Lawrence brought Alabama Power to us to look at in our facility, see if this same application would help. And we've been working, doing design and engineer, and actually the system was just installed this past week and turned on.
The issue for USA Children's and Women's was the capital cost involved with that project. What makes this project unique is that Alabama Power provided that capital for the project. We own and maintain the equipment, but the customer will immediately see an energy savings.
One of the things that's very important to us is that Alabama Power brought a real solution to issues that we had within the organization to be able to come up with capital dollars for a project like was just completed here at Children's and Women's. And by the on-bill financing, we're able to take our operational dollars that were going to be spent anyway on energy to pay for this project, and it helps us get to where we need to be on the bottom line.
Especially today with the reallocation of reimbursement, is really every penny we can save helps with the bottom line.
So between these two projects, we estimate that we'll be able to save to the bottom line about $500,000 a year from here on through perpetuity as long as these facilities are here.
Alabama Power owns and maintains the equipment over the 4-year term of the contract, and during that time, the hospital will immediately see an energy savings. Out of that energy savings, they will pay a portion of that money to Alabama Power as payment for the facilities, but they will also immediately see a portion of that savings every month. The projected savings is about $1.2 million that the customer will experience.
We have a very good working relationship with Alabama Power here in Mobile. Christina Nix is always here and is always a phone call away anytime we ever have any issues, which truly are far and few between.
What we've done here at USA Children's and Women's Hospital is provide them with a real solution that will help their bottom line. And when they succeed, we succeed.